In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a UK address to your eBay account. This is a handy skill to have whether you're moving to the UK, planning to purchase items from UK sellers, or simply need an address on file for any other reason. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your eBay account. If you're new to eBay or haven't logged in for a while, just hop onto eBay's homepage. And in the top right corner, you'll see the sign in button. Enter your username and password and you'll be all set to proceed to the next step. Once you're logged in, look towards the top left of your screen. You'll spot your name or profile picture there. Give it a click and a drop down menu will appear, guiding you to account settings. Go ahead and choose that option. This area is essentially your control center for personal and shipping information and will help you manage your purchases and profile efficiently. Now that you're in the account settings, let's focus on the addresses section. This is the place where all your shipping and billing addresses are stored. It's crucial to ensure that these details are accurate to avoid any delivery mishaps. Locate this section on the page. It should be easily visible. Within the addresses section, you'll find different types of addresses listed, such as postage address or shipping address. Since we're adding a UK address, click on the option that suits the nature of the address you want to update. Usually it will be the shipping address since that's the most commonly used one for your orders. Go ahead and hit edit. Here's where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a form to update the address details. Make sure to choose United Kingdom from the list of countries. This step is crucial as it aligns your address with the regional requirements. Now fill in the rest of the details such as street address, city and postcode. Double check these fields to confirm that every detail is correct. You certainly don't want your package getting lost due to a typo. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, it's time to save your hard work. Locate the Save button, usually found towards the bottom of the form, and click it. By doing this, you've made sure that eBay now recognizes your UK address for future transactions. And there you have it. You've successfully added a UK address to your eBay account. Whether you're an eBay novice or an experienced user, I hope this guide has made the process seamless and straightforward. Thanks for following along, and happy shopping.